हाँ जी, तो अब चलते हैं अपने सेशन 2 जो कि है इस चैप्टर का सेकंड पार्ट। इसका नाम है स्कोप एंड इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ मार्केटिंग। तो गॉन आर द डेज when marketing was confined only to goods and services. Now the scope of marketing has increased and one can also market people, ideas, experience, events, places, properties, organization and information, and not just confined to goods and services. In other words, anything that is of value to others can be marketed. The scope of marketing are explained as under goods, a tangible item which can be an article, commodity, material, merchandise, supply, wares produced from agricultural, construction, manufacturing, or mining activities, products that have intangible properties are services such as banking, consultancy, education, insurance, accounting, expertise, medical treatment, or transportation. Experience marketers can create stage and market experience to the customer. For example, water park and theme parks provide experience marketing. Another different real life experience is being enjoyed by customers at modern retail outlets. Now retailing is not an activity involved in just selling goods to the customer. It has now become an experience. Shopping in a mall where the delightful experience comprises of not only shopping but also spending time with family and friends, eating out, watching movie, and enjoying the complete day. As we can see in the figure 1.5. तो people, अब marketing can help people to market themselves. Politicians are the most suitable and common example of people marketing. Politicians market themselves to the customer voters by promising them certain bundle of benefits. Cricketers, film stars, authors, painters, musicians, and sportsmen market themselves. Some of the well-known personalities are Amitabh Bachchan, Sachin Tendulkar, Salman Khan, etc. These people are not only successful in marketing themselves, but also they lend their names to products like perfumes, uh, Shilpa Shetty. Perfumes, retail stores by the name of True Blue, Sachin Tendulkar, and clothes and accessories by Salman Khan with the name of Being Human. As you can see, तो ऐसे ही सारे मार्केटिंग करते हैं। अब चलते हैं प्लेसेस पे। Cities, state and nation can be marketed to the customer. Place marketers include real estate developer, commercial bank, business, etc. One can't forget the Incredible India campaign by Indian government to market India as a tourist spot. In India, Bangalore is known as the Silicon Valley of India. Kerala is known as God-own country. Madhya Pradesh is known as Heart of Incredible India. A campaign by Amitabh Bachchan or for Khushbu गुजरात की खुशबू गुजरात की A campaign by अमिताभ बच्चन फॉर खुशबू गुजरात की ये कैंपेन है। 1 मिनट पूछूंगा तो हम हाँ है ये सारे ठीक है। जैसे आप यहाँ पे फोटो भी ले सकते हो, अभी फोटोज के मैंने तो हम ये और ये स्टेट्स माने जाते हैं इन नामों से। तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मार्केट देमसेल्व्स टू क्रिएट एंड बूस्ट देयर इमेज इन द कस्टमर माइंड। दे ट्राई टू क्रिएट अ यूनिक एंड फेवरेबल image in the eyes of customers that give organization an edge over others in the marketplace. Tata Group compromising of multiple brands stand for trust and quality globally. Philips promise its customers products which are technologically advanced and hassle free. So its marketing campaign is based on sense and simplicity platform. आगे चलते हैं। मजा आ रहा नहीं आ रहा?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं आ रहा।
कुछ पूछा नहीं था उसका। As you can see, there are many other photos are available in the book as Tata, DLF, and many more. इधर भी दिए हुए हैं, इधर कोई फोटो देख लीजिए। तो अभी पढ़ते हैं हम ये टाटा वाला जो पेज है, अभी हम इसको अगले वीडियो में करते हैं।